Maintaining high-value assets in an ever-increasing digital age presents challenges for both implementation, installation, calibration, and operation of condition monitoring systems. Orbit 60, the latest offering by Bentley Nevada for plant-wide deployment, has been designed around flexibility and cybersecurity for use on assets that are the future of renewable energy. Having the knowledge and experience to install, configure, and operate Orbit 60 is a vital key to unlock the full potential of its robust architecture and features for integration into locations where assets are being monitored. Orbit 60 implementation training uses a hands-on approach to teach the hardware and software that is used on a wide variety of industrial applications. Topics in Orbit 60 implementation training include module and component identification, downloading and installing Orbit 60 software and firmware, configuring modules, network settings, properties in Orbit Studio, connecting to Orbit 60 with System 1, and so much more. Learners complete user-friendly tasks that are designed to increase the understanding and expertise needed to integrate Orbit 60 to monitor and maintain your high-value assets. For more information on Orbit 60 implementation training, visit bentleytraining.com, click Training, and scroll to Open Orbit 60 to see available locations and dates for upcoming classes.